but right now you'll see a little bit of those white stuck-up leaves. That's called guano. Guano is bird droppings that help fertilize these mango trees here. Make it nice and bushy. Good for nesting ground. So right up here on your right is everyone who wants to take a look. There's a couple, actually a ton of brown pelicans, all different ages. You'll see the adults have the white heads with the dark line down their back, and the babies will be mostly white. Where's that chick you said, Katie? Do you see it there? Where is it? Oh, and there's a baby chick. He's mostly white on the end. He's not that small. He's not a chick like a little chick that you'd imagine. He's kind of big. And as they get older, they'll turn from white to brownish color, and then as they turn the adult, they'll have that. Here's a great adult. We pass them. We'll hopefully see another one. Up at the top of the trees here, it's so good compared to January. So these ones get to the top of the trees, and they'll put the pollen. Those guys, they're pretty common here as well. Just keep an eye out. You might see some cool birds hanging beneath the mangroves there. Now these brown pelicans, see these guys right there? Right about 5 o'clock, they're feeding. See the wings flapping around? The baby's got his head down his mother's mouth, their father's mouth. Both the mother and the father take turns taking care of this baby. They're both responsible. So these brown pelicans, they actually, you'll see them flapping their necks. Oh, there's a great American egret at 5 o'clock, yellow beak, white body. There's another one right here about 3 o'clock. Those are calls of the egret species. But again, about these brown pelicans, they can dive into the water at about 40 miles an hour. And since they have hollow bones, the way they keep from breaking those bones when they're going after those fish is they inflate these air sacs that they have, kind of like an airbag in a car. That way when they hit the surface, and they dip down and catch those fish, they're not going to break every bone in their body. And you'll see them flapping their necks about in the trees when we make a pass around. You guys can come check it out on the left side. You'll see them flapping their necks, and I'll show you when I see one, because they do it